If you're looking for an easy, delicious, and budget-friendly recipe, this Torta Salada de Chorizo is going to be your new favorite. It's quick, comes out super fluffy, well-loaded, and with a flavor that will surprise you. Stick around and I'll walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, add 4 large eggs into the blender. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. 110 milliliters of avocado oil or any other neutral cooking oil. 210 milliliters of whole milk, any percentage works. 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, optional. Blend until everything is well combined. In a large bowl, add 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, and 50 grams of cornstarch, mixed to combine. Now add the blender mixture and mix well until you get a lump-free batter without overmixing. Here's a tip, set some of the filling aside to scatter over the top just before baking. 240 grams of smoked sausage, or any kind you like, cut into cubes and previously sauteed with 1 small grated onion and 1 large grated garlic clove until golden and crispy. 1 medium tomato seeded and diced. 6 olives sliced. 85 grams of canned corn, well drained. 3 chopped green onions. 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro or parsley. Now mix everything well until evenly distributed. Then, pour the mixture into a greased and floured 9-inch bundt pan. Here's another tip. Tap the cake pan 2 to 3 times before baking to release air bubbles and settle the batter evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes until golden and a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Remove from the oven, let it cool for about 50 minutes. Unmold carefully. And look at this cake, soft, fluffy, and full of flavor in every bite. I hope you love this recipe. I'll leave the ingredients here so you can pause and copy them. You can also find them listed in the description below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. See you next time. Ciao!